Most of the people use NotebookLM to generate summaries, mind maps, videos, audios. But trust me, NotebookLM is a hidden gem and it can do much more than that. And gradually people are uncovering its potential. Today we are going to build an interactive website using NotebookLM and Gemini. To create website we need two things. One, content, and second, design or theme. So we are going to collect content using NotebookLM and then we are going to extract that content and build the website using Gemini. So I'm going to make a website on AI agents, basically end-to-end information about AI agents, about the latest research, tools, trends, and how it is going to impact jobs, business, and society. So let's begin with the first step of collecting the content. So first of all, we need to go to notebooklm.google.com and then click on create new. If you have your own sources, that's great. Just click on add sources. You can upload files from your computer. You can provide the links to websites or YouTube videos or Drive, or you can even directly copy the text. But if you don't have any of them, that is completely fine. Let us use NotebookLM for the purpose. So let's close this and then search in the web for new sources. I already have the ask prompt here, which is research AI agents end to end, what they are, how they work, types of agents, architectures, tools, frameworks, and all. Also explain about their impact on jobs, business, society, and make it deeply researched, highly structured, beginner friendly, but advanced, and include latest developments, leading companies, and key papers. If you can write a prompt like this, that's great. If not, then you can take a help of ChatGPT or Gemini. So I'm going to use fast research, but if you have access to deep research, that's great because the quality of content will be great and that will reflect in your website as well. So let's search. Okay, great. So it has returned 10 sources. Let's import all of them. And you will be able to see a summary from those 10 sources. Now let's go to Google Gemini. Make sure you are using same Google account so that in your Gemini you can directly access the NotebookLM. So click on plus, select NotebookLM, and then you will be able to see the NotebookLM that we have just created. And then add it. Again, here if you have access to Pro plan, let's use that. If not, then fast is also fine. In the tools, you have to select canvas and then let's ask it to create the website. Create a modern day interactive website that illustrates everything about AI agents using the information provided in the uploaded NotebookLM. Add more interesting facts, graphs, and interactive elements like cards, expansion on clicks, hover over effects, etc. The final website should feel rich, deeply immersive, premium, creative, and modern. And let's run it. And you see the code is being written on the right hand side. Now once the code is complete, you will be able to see the preview, something like this. And your website is ready. Let's look into this in the web browser. So for that, you can click on the share and then it will give you the link. So you can copy this link and you can share it with your friends. For now, I will open it in the web browser. And you can see how beautiful website it has created. So this is the modern day website. It has a hero section over here. And then it has anatomy of AI agent, perception, brain, planning, memory, action, and tools. The frameworks are here: LangGraph framework, AutoGen, Crew AI, and then some trends and numbers about AI labor markets, human in the loop oversight, and then some market projections in 2026. And if you see, I provided here a very simple text that, just create a modern day website and so on. But if you want to be more elaborative, if you want to customize this website, you can do that as well. You can tell it specifically what kind of hero sections you want to have, what kind of interactive elements or visual elements you want to keep it there. If you want to have any kind of call to action, what kind of footer you want. So you can specify all that and then provide that in the prompt. If you want to add more sections, you can even do that. So for now, I am just going to ask it to convert the aesthetic of the website to chalkboard or diagram wall aesthetic. Let's quickly run it and see what output do we see here. And you can see your chalkboard style website is also ready over here. So that's how easy it is to create an interactive, stunning website using NotebookLM and Gemini. If you found some value from the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.